Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're just starting out on your personal finance journey and you're feeling totally overwhelmed by credit card balances, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to walk through a proven 12-month step-by-step system that's specifically designed to wipe out up to $20,000 in credit card debt. And I promise you, there are no weird gimmicks here, no talking about bankruptcy, just a straightforward, actionable roadmap that thousands of people have already used to get their financial independence back. We're going to break down exactly how you can pull this off starting right now. But first, we need a quick reality check. $6,000. That is what the average American with credit card debt currently owes. And here is the truly terrifying part. With interest rates hitting 24%, or honestly even higher lately, that debt isn't just sitting there patiently. It is a silent killer, and it's growing every single day you don't have a plan. For a beginner, this is exactly where all that crushing anxiety comes from. But don't worry, we're going to fix it today. Because here is the brutal truth about how this system works against you. Let's say you have a $20,000 balance at 24% interest. If you only make the minimum payments, you're going to be paying that off for over 20 years. And the total cost? You'll hand over nearly $30,000 extra in interest alone. Basically, your $20,000 debt actually cost you $50,000. So doing nothing or just paying the minimums? Yeah, that's simply not an option anymore. So to get you out of this trap, here is our 6-part roadmap. 1. The debt trap. 2. Stop the bleeding. 3. Pay off strategy. 4. The negotiation trick. 5. Automate and accelerate. And 6. Your 12-month action plan. Let's start with part 1, the debt trap. Here is the absolute bedrock foundation of your journey. You cannot fill a bucket with a hole in it. Honestly, you'd be amazed at how many people completely skip this preparation phase. They try so desperately to pay down their debt, but they just keep swiping their credit cards, actively adding to their balance at the exact same time. Mathematically, it is literally impossible to get ahead this way. You absolutely have to plug the hole first. Which brings us to part 2, stop the bleeding. Okay, let's dive into this. Step 1 of your recovery plan is your non-negotiable first win. You must stop adding to the debt today. That means you literally take out a pair of scissors and cut those credit cards up into tiny pieces. Or, if you can't bring yourself to do that, put them in a cup of water and freeze them in a literal block of ice in your freezer. Then, step 2, you switch entirely to a debit card for all of your spending. If the cash isn't sitting in your checking account, you don't spend it. I know it sounds simple, but this physically prevents you from digging the hole any deeper. All right, part 3, payoff strategy. Now, let's look at the 2 main ways people actually pay off debt. First, you have the debt snowball, where you pay off the smallest balance first just to get some quick wins and keep your motivation high. On the flip side, you have the debt avalanche, where you strictly target the highest interest rate first. If you're a beginner looking for the most efficient path, the avalanche method is highly recommended. Why? Well, on a $20,000 balance at 24% interest, using the avalanche method will save you an incredible $4,000 to $6,000 compared to the snowball method. The math just completely favors the avalanche here. Moving on to part 4, the negotiation trick. This is an insider secret that almost everyone skips. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what to do, especially if you have phone anxiety. Here's your exact script. Call the number on the back of your card right now and just say, "I've been a loyal customer, I'm working on paying off my balance, and I'd like to request a lower interest rate." That is literally it. That's the whole shebang. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, no way they actually say yes to that, consider this. 70% of people who actually ask for a reduction get one. And even just dropping your interest rate from 24% down to 18% on a $20,000 balance, that saves you over $3,000. So this one 5-minute phone call has a massive success rate and can literally put thousands of dollars back into your beginner finance plan. It's a total game changer. Part 5, automate and accelerate. Let's demystify a really powerful, kind of sneaky tactic. Instead of making one big monthly payment, switch to bi-weekly payments. That just means making 2 smaller payments every 2 weeks. So why does this even matter? Well, credit card interest is calculated daily. By paying every 2 weeks, you're constantly knocking down that principal balance, which shrinks the daily interest that builds up. On a 20 grand balance, this simple little scheduling trick alone can chop 2 to 3 months off your payoff timeline and save you hundreds of bucks in interest. And we want to build this directly into a fully automated system. Jump into your bank's bill pay feature and set up automatic payments for more than the minimum. Seriously, even adding an extra $100 a month on top of your minimum makes an absolutely massive difference over time. When it's fully automatic, The system just works for you in the background. You never miss a payment, you never get smacked with a late fee, and as a huge bonus, you get to sit back and watch your credit score reliably tick up month after month. Now, to truly accelerate this 12-month plan, we gotta talk about your income. The absolute fastest way to kill debt is to just throw extra money at it. If you can pick up a side hustle making just $300 to $500 a month extra and put every penny of that directly toward your debt, you're generating an additional $3,600 to $6,000 a year. Combine that with all the steps we just talked about, and this is exactly how you realistically wipe out 20 grand in just 1 year. Finally, part 6, your 12-month action plan. So the crucial point is how all of this flows together chronologically. In month 1, you stop adding debt, freeze those cards, list out your balances, and make that 5-minute phone call to negotiate your rate. Month 2, you set up your automated bi-weekly payments and kick off that side hustle. Months 3 through 6, you're running the avalanche method, throwing every single extra dollar at that highest interest card. And months 7 through 12, you just keep that momentum going, celebrate those small wins, and finish strong. If you're a beginner, take a screenshot of this right now. Seriously, print it out and stick it right on your fridge. Because if you actually follow those steps consistently for 12 months, true financial freedom becomes your reality. Just imagine it. No more minimum payments eating up your paycheck before you even see it. No more crushing financial stress keeping you awake at night. That money finally stays right in your pocket where it belongs. You can absolutely do this. You know, the credit card industry is literally designed to keep you paying minimums forever, slowly draining your wealth. But now you have the exact blueprint to break their system in 12 months. Once you reclaim those monthly payments, the real question becomes, how quickly can you use that freed up cash to start building real generational wealth? So what's your number? How much credit card debt are you working to pay off right now? Drop it in the comments below. Start your journey today, and I'll see you in the next explainer.